Exmet Group. Outstanding steel products and services with global distribution. Situated in a logistically advantageous location, we can import and export by sea, rail, and road. A regional wholesale leader of steel products, we house materials indoors, ensuring maximum weather protection and the best possible quality for our clients. We specialize in manufacturing and promoting reinforcement steel, offering a full range of reinforcement products from mesh and stirrups to advanced retention systems for windmill foundations. Exmet Group is establishing itself as one of the key players in steel accessories for the concrete industry, with a wide range of products designed according to Euro codes and constant R&D efforts. With automation, we are able to work more quickly and provide the best possible service. We cut, drill, weld, and bend steel in accordance with client specifications. In our work, we use state-of-the-art steel processing technologies to create even the most elaborate constructions and components, offering fast and timely delivery on a schedule suitable for you. From concept to completion, our goal is to provide you with the best possible solutions. Exmet Group.